Are you a small business owner in Oman? Maybe running a logistic firm in Sohar, a service company in Muscat, or a food business in Salalah, but feels like your growth has hit a wall. You try everything: marketing, new customers, maybe even a new funding, but still can't seems to land the bigger contracts. What if I tell you there is the key to unlock the next level isn't money, but standards? Yes, I'm talking about ISO certification, a powerful yet often overlooked growth hack for small businesses in Oman. So, what exactly ISO is? In simple words, ISO is a global organization that creates standards to help businesses work smarter, safer, and more efficiently. Many people think ISO is only big companies or factories, but that isn't true. Even small companies can benefit hugely from it. For example, ISO 9001 helps you manage quality and consistency. ISO 14001 helps you reduce waste and protect the environment. ISO 45 keeps your employees safe. ISO 27001 protects your data and customer information. Basically, ISO standards gives your business an enhanced structure. It helps you run the better and build trust. So, why should small businesses care about ISO certification? Because ISO certification builds credibility. When you are certified, bigger clients, including government projects, sees you as a reliable and professional. It shows that you follow international standards and take your business seriously. It also helps inside your company. Your team work effectively, mistake reduces, and customer satisfaction goes up. And when other businesses around you doesn't have ISO certification, then you automatically stand out from the crowd. That's how small businesses grow faster. At MaxiCert, we have seen many small companies in Oman grow with ISO certification. Like a small IT company in Muscat, once they got ISO 9001, they started winning bigger projects from the regional clients. Or a food business in Salalah, they got ISO 22000 from the food safety. Now their products are supplied to the hotels and also exporting their products. Even a logistic company in Sohar told us that after getting ISO 45001, their operations became smoother. Customer complaints dropped. So, yes, ISO certification doesn't just tick a box, it truly transforms a business performance. Now, let's talk about how actually to become ISO certified. The process sounds big, but it's straightforward when you guide properly. Step 1: understand what your business needs. Which ISO standards fit you best? Review your current system. We call that gap analysis. Step 3: prepare documents and improve your process. Step 4: train your staff. Everyone should know the new system. Step 5: do an internal audit to check readiness. Step 6: finally, an external audit is done by certified body. And once you pass, you get your ISO certificate. It usually takes few weeks to few months, depending on your businesses. Yes, it's affordable, especially considering how much value it brings. Once you are certified, make sure people know about it. Add your logo to your website, proposals, and marketing materials. Tell your clients, we are ISO certified. It builds instant trust. And remember, ISO isn't something you do and forget. It's a continuous process, helping your businesses keep improving every year. With ISO certification, your company doesn't just survive, it stays ahead in every changing market. So, if you are running a small businesses in Oman, whether in Muscat, Sohar, Salalah, and want to grow, get more clients, and build long-term trust, ISO certification might be your smartest next step. At MaxiCert, we help you through the entire journey. from planning to certification in a smooth, cost-effective way. Visit MaxiCert.com or contact to us to get started. Let's make your business not just local but global.